Good afternoon, Mid-South. This is Samantha Brown with the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, and I'm here to talk about the severe weather potential for tomorrow. Now, we're expecting a cold front to bring a line of severe thunderstorms through the area tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening. Now, damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and a few tornadoes may be possible with this. We also will talk about a wind advisory that will be in effect tomorrow. Strong, sustained winds around 25 miles per hour with gusts about 50 miles per hour. We're also expecting heavy rainfall on top of all that will be possible, with rainfall amounts averaging between 1 to 2 inches, with locally higher amounts across the area. Here is the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. We're expecting a line to kind of move in through from the west, followed by the cold front. Probably about tomorrow afternoon, we'll reach eastern Arkansas, so maybe about 12 o'clock, and finally hit the Mississippi River by around that time as well. Now, as we go into the afternoon, the threat for damaging winds and possibly tornadoes will increase as it moves towards the Tennessee River. So a few of those tornadoes could be strong, especially embedded within those thunderstorms and out ahead of the thunderstorms. And this will be possible probably Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday evening. We're expecting everything to probably move out probably about 6 p.m. So again, the main hazards for this will be damaging winds, especially with that line, with possibly some embedded tornadoes and heavy rainfall. So let's talk more about that heavy rainfall. Excessive rainfall outlook. You can see that we have a slight risk, and then the majority of the area is under a marginal risk. Now, with those damaging winds, and it's already going to be gusty tomorrow, you could possibly see some trees down and some power outages. Here's the storm total rainfall: 1 to 2 inches of rainfall across the Mid-South, with higher amounts occurring in this area, North Mississippi, as well as West Tennessee. Rainfall could be efficient at times and produce flash flooding. Now, here is the maximum wind gusts on Wednesday. You can see that a lot of the Delta areas could get up to 50 miles per hour. Expect wind gusts of 25 to 30 miles per hour, mainly sustained. We also have a wind advisory out for tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a gusty day. Now, here's a summary of the impacts. A cold front will bring a line of severe storms to the area. Probably about 12 p.m. we'll move into the area, and then last until about 6. Main hazards will be damaging winds, heavy rainfall, and a few tornadoes. We went over the wind advisory that will also be in effect. It'll be pretty gusty tomorrow. Gusts possible up to 55 miles per hour, with higher gusts possible in thunderstorms, so you could see some power outages and some trees down. On top of all of that, we're going to have some saturated soils, so they could also take down those trees. Heavy rainfall would be possible, with rainfall amounts averaging between 1 to 2 inches, with locally higher amounts. The heaviest amounts look to be probably West Tennessee and northern Mississippi. So what can you do right now is to stay weather aware. Make sure you're following us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Make sure that you have your severe weather checklist and your severe weather plan ahead of time. So make sure you do that right now. Alrighty, thank you so much.